Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your October month reading regarding your person's next move. What will be your person's next move towards you? So these are your cards, and you're seeing that I have already shuffled cards and spread them out. This will be a general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. And let's start your reading without any further delay. So your partner's next move is that they are unexpectedly and quickly coming back towards you. They are taking action towards you, and quickly they are in a hurry, they want to take action. This time this is unexpected. This person may be trying to get you back in their life, or maybe they are this is seven of cup sorry, seven of swords. So this person wants this person is trying and making some behind the scene strategies to get you back in their life, or maybe they are manipulating you to have you back in their life. This is their action. They want to gather all information, or they want to gather all energy to have you back in their life. They want second chance this time, and they are fully aware. They are very much full of love for you, and they are offering their cup of love to you this time. And this time their action is very much strong. They are taking action, and nobody can make them away from you. Nobody can stop them to have this to take this action. So this time they are in an emperor mood. Like whatever decision they are making, this is unexpected for you also, or maybe this is unexpected for them also. And they are taking actions and they are taking actions and decisions like an emperor. This time nobody can stop them to have you back in their life, or they are doing whatever they can do. Maybe they are telling you lies. They are hiding things from you uh, to have you back in their life. All this seven of sword energy, whatever they are doing behind the scene, or whatever lies they are telling you, they are doing all this just to have you back in their life. Or it can be like that. Maybe this person walked away from you without telling you, and this is unexpected for you. And now this person is coming back in your life, and this time they are very much strong like an emperor. Their actions and their position is becoming strong, so that no one can shake them from their place. So this is the strongness of this person. If this person is coming back towards you this time, their love is mature. Their actions are mature, so no one can stop them. So this is the next move of your partner. They are coming back towards you strongly and quickly. So this is your reading, Scorpio. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in the comment below. Like me to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.